Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm just gonna be doing a short little video on everything that's done to my Nissan 350Z. Alright, so let's start off with the engine. Basically, when I was 1,000 miles into owning this car, the engine blew. So I actually swapped this myself with the help of my buddy Dom right here and a couple other people. And so I have full bolt-ons, you know, intake. There's some headers down there, as you can see maybe. And then we got some test pipes on there too. So nothing special, no tune yet. For wheels, basically just stock wheels. When I was 1,000 miles into this car, found out that the previous owner, they probably picked up some used tires that were off of a cambered car or some shit. So those just showed the metal rod in the tires like right away. So I just threw those on because I'm probably not going to spend any more money on tires until I get some new wheels. Probably go with like a 10.5 in the rear and 9.5 in the front. Run probably a 255 in the front, 285 in the rear. And then for suspension, we just got lowering springs that already came on the car when I had it. So I have a set of BC Racing coilovers ready to go on this, but just don't have time yet. So whenever I have time, I'll get around to it. But yeah, and then with the transmission, I have a stage 2 aftermarket clutch that came with the car and a lightweight flywheel. And so yeah, I'm not tuned yet, so I'm not too fast, but I have a couple more things that I want to get done to the car, like intake spacer and ported intake manifold. And I'll probably go E85 and just get tuned by Saul, and I should be running maybe like 290, 300 at the wheels, so it'll be decent for a naturally aspirated DE setup. But yeah, this is just a short little video. I'm probably gonna end it here. We're gonna film another video right now washing up the cars. My buddy with his ST over here, and we got a Challenger RT coming through as well, so stay tuned for that, and we'll see you next time. Peace.